Let's open it.
Open it.
Open it. Right here.
Oh!
Oh, let's see. What is it? Oh, you can wrap it so well. Gee, wow. I can't even open it. Just a second.
Second.
Yeah, second.
Teddy.
Okay, there's
She's
one.
this pretty.
Hey.
What is it? Oh, I wonder what's in here. You want to see?
Dada.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Oh!
Oh, yes, what's in there? Open it.
Hey.
Hey. Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
Come on.
Open it.
Open it here.
Hey.
Oh my.
Bye.
Oh my. Look. Open. Ready?
Open it. Hey.
What is it? Look, Mia. Look. What is it?
Open it.
What? Jesus, what is it? What is it? It's to clean. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
Photo.
It's a mop. Okay, take it out. It's for Mia.
Photo.
Yeah, take it out. Like this.
Photo.
Look.
Did you paint that? That's
Yeah.
pretty.
This is Dada's Snapper.
Oh.
How do you spell snapper?
Oh.
SNAPPER.
Okay, good. That's for you to mop to clean the floor.
That's a perfect size.
Do you like it?
Like this.
Okay, here's another one. Oh, look. What's this?
Teeth.
Come on. It's for me. It says Mama's Little Helper.
Oh, thank you. That's Mia, that's a broom. Mia, do you say thank you?
Thank you.
You want to give your abuelita a kiss?
How about a kiss?
Receive it. Oh.
She's cleaning the carpet. You
Are
gonna clean it?
Let's go clean the kitchen. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go clean the kitchen.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Look.
Come on.
Oh, you can sweep. Like this.
This.
Yeah, see? That's how you sweep. Good girl.
Wait.
Yes, you like it? Wow, and this is Dada Snapper, Mia. Jump.
Wait.
Sweep.
Wait. Good.
Ooh, so you like the mop and the broom? And where are we going to put them? I'm going to clean it. Oh my gosh, it gets in there. Look. You want to clean it?
You want a mop?
Okay, here, you mop. You mop with this. Oh my goodness, it's getting clean. Here, clean it. Yes.
That. That. Eating.
Oh, that's a good job.
She's cleaning.
Wait.
Is that
Puppy.
mopping?
Her.
Did you say it's hard?
Dog.
You sweep.
Wait.
Yes, I mop and you sweep.
What a great team.
Wow, we're doing a good job, Mia. Wow, it's a good job. Let me see. Man, I'm working so hard. I'm working so hard. I'm working so hard. Are you working so hard? You want to trade? You want to give me the broom? This is the mop.